In this video, I'll show you how you can play missions in GTA 5 Online. Now all you have to do is, if you're in a lobby, simply pause the game and then select Online and then choose Jobs and then select Play Job and then scroll down and choose Rockstar Created. So select that and then scroll down until you find missions and select that, and you should see a list of all the available missions in the game that you can choose from. So let's say, for instance, if you want to play this particular mission, simply select it and then you'll be prompted, are you sure you want to start this job? Simply click on OK and you'll start, or rather you'll start preparing for that particular mission. Now another way, you can simply pause the game and then also access the map, and then on the map you can find these icons, the yellow or orange like icons, which you can just go to that point and start that particular mission that is currently available on the map. So that's how to play missions in GTA 5 Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.